Hello everyone, we are group 2 from class IBA 3B, and in this group we have 4 members, which is Yalomita Wenas, Indri Siagian, Sania Lucas, and then Veronica. And in this video, we're gonna explain about supply chains. So I will start first. So supply chains is the network of people and activities that help to move a product from its start to its consumption by the end of the user. It involves various processes such as sourcing, production, distribution, and then delivery of goods and services. A supply chain can be simple or complex, depending of the type of product, the number of the intermediaries, and geographic scope, and then the degree of coordination among the participants.
The complexity of a supply chain might vary for different types of products, depending on factors such as the number of suppliers, the location of production, the transportation modes, the inventory levels, the demand patterns, and the customer expectation. For example, produce that is sold at a farmer's market might have a simpler supply chain than a shirt that is sold at a store. Produce might be grown locally by a single farmer, transported by a truck, and sold directly to the customers. The shirt, on the other hand, might involve multiple suppliers of raw materials such as cotton, dye, and buttons. From different countries, a manufacturing process that involves cutting, sewing, and finishing, a distribution network that involves warehouse, wholesalers, and retailers, and a consumption stage that involves customer service, return, and feedback.
So here's a sketch of a simplified supply chain process for a shirt. To illustrate the supply chain process for a shirt that is sold at a store, here's sketch out explanation of a simplified supply chain process for a shirt. First, supply. The raw materials such as cotton, dye, and buttons are supplied by different vendors to the shirt manufacturer. Second, manufacturing. The shirt manufacturer processes the raw material into finished shirts using machines and workers. The shirts are inspected for quality and packaged for shipping. Third, distribution. The shirts are transported from the manufacturer to the warehouse where they are stored and sorted. The warehouses then distribute the shirts to the retailers, such as stores and online platforms, according to the demand and orders. And the last one is consumption. The retailer sells the shirts to the customer who can choose from different sizes, colors, and styles. The customers can also return or exchange the shirts if they are not satisfied. And the retailers collect feedback from the customer and share it with the manufacturers and the suppliers.
Let me give you another example of a supply chain that is a laptop that is sold at a store. So let's take this example of a laptop supply chain. In here shows the sketch of the 4 key stages of the supply chain process: supply, manufacturing, distribution, and consumption. Each stage has different activities and actors involved. The first one is supply. This stage involves the procurement of raw materials and components that are needed to produce a laptop. These include metals, plastic, electronic chips, batteries, screens, and keyboard. The suppliers of these materials and components are located in different countries and regions, such as China, Taiwan, Japan, and Korea. They deliver the materials and components to the manufacturing facilities through various modes of transportation, such as truck, ships, or planes. Second one is manufacturing. This stage involves the production of the laptop from the raw materials and components. The manufacturing facilities are also located in different countries and regions, such as China, Vietnam, Malaysia, etc. They use various processes and technologies, such as assembly, soldering, testing, quality control, to build the laptop. The manufacturing facilities also have to manage the inventory storage and packaging of the finished products. Third one is distribution. This stage involves the delivery of the laptop to the customer through an organized network of transporters, warehouses, and retailers. The transporters are responsible for moving the laptop from the manufacturing facilities to the warehouses and from the warehouses to the retailers. They use various modes of transportation, such as truck, ships, or planes. The warehouses are responsible for storing and sorting the laptop according to the demand and supply of the different markets and regions. They use various systems and tools such as barcode scanners, RFID tags, inventory management software, etc. to track and manage the laptop. The retailers are responsible for selling the laptop to the customer through various channels such as online platform, physical store, or another. They use various strategies and techniques such as pricing, promotion, or customer service to attract and return the customer. And the last one is consumption. This stage involves the use of the laptop by the customer for various purposes, such as work, education, or entertainment. The customer also have to deal with the maintenance, repair, and disposal of the laptop. They can use various services and resources, such as warranty, technical support, recycle program, etc., to address this issue. So that is all from us. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.